Yo, what's up? Today we're gonna be trying the frozen food. Um, I saw these. These are Jack's pizza sticks. You know what I mean? Yo. So we back and put them in the microwave. So the package says it's per 2 sticks, a minute and 45, and this is how they look. Kind of odd, you know. It's alright. I forgot to mention, these are the sausage ones. So, and they got 8 grams of protein, so that's pretty good, dude. Let's try it out. Who was that? Gotta wash it down with some water. See the crust. I microwaved it, so it's the crust is pretty flaky, pretty good. Yeah, that it has a good amount of sauce, good amount of cheese. We get bits of sausage in there. It's pretty cool, pretty good. The price was pretty cheap. I think it was like $2 at my local HEB. Let's do one more bite. Overall, to be honest with you guys, I give it a good 8.5 out of 10 for the price. And so the package, it comes with 4 of them. I'm pretty sure you can pair it with some ranch or something, some ketchup, however you like to eat your pizza sticks. But yeah, I'm gonna have to give it a 8.5 out of 10. Pretty good, man. If you guys come across them at your local HEB, Walmart, make sure you guys pick them up. Pretty good. 8 grams of protein. You get 4 sticks. You can't beat that price. Make sure you guys check them out.